Couple of boxes, certified basketball. We got 4 boxes, certified basketball. We'll do the odds. We'll do the odds. We got 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Which means we'll do the other half tomorrow night. Good luck, guys. Number 1. Box number 1. New certified basketball. Starting off with a jersey card. Jersey rookie 99 Scow Labasary. Jersey Scow Labasary. Sacramento Kings to 99 Scow Labasary. Got Kyle Lowry, the Toronto Raptors. It is a red to 199. Kyle Lowry, 199. Got a Rudy Gay, the Sacramento Kings, numbered to 60. Rudy Gay for the Kings, numbered to 60. Auto, you've got for the Pelicans, Cheek Diablo. Cheek Diallo. Rookie roll call for the New Orleans Pelicans. That one is not numbered. Not numbered. Base behind it. Got a fabric of the game rookie for the Memphis Grizzlies, Wade Baldwin. Wade Baldwin. That one is not numbered. Base. Got a Devin Booker, Phoenix Suns. Devin Booker, numbered to 60. Jersey for the Phoenix Suns, not numbered, T.J. Warren. Phoenix Suns jersey. T.J. Warren. Base. Last pack, box 1. Got a Nikolai Jokic. Nikolai Jokic from the Denver Nuggets. And then you had a filler back there, numbered to 99. Number 2. Box number 2. Auto for the Bucks. You've got Michael Carter Williams. The Bucks, Michael Carter Williams. That one is number 275. Number 75. Base. Got a rookie of Pascal Siakam, the Toronto Raptors, to 199. Got a Malik Beasley, rookie for the Denver Nuggets, to 99. Got a the mighty James Harden, the Rockets. The Atlanta Hawks jersey, not numbered, Chris Humphries. Chris Humphries for the Hawks. Base. Got a Dallas Mavericks, Darren Williams. Number to 199, Darren Williams. Three-colored patch, number 225's Justice Winslow for the Heat. Three-colored to 25, Miami Heat, Justice Winslow. Base. Got a Energizer Muggsy Bogues, number to 199. Got a Clint Capella for the Rockets, number to 60. Got a Dallas Mavericks, A.J. Hammonds. Mavericks, A.J. Hammonds. Base. Minnesota Timberwolves, Chris Dunn. Chris Dunn for Timberwolves. Base. Timberwolves, Zach Levine. Zach Levine, number to 99. Got a Dragan Bender, Phoenix Suns. Dragan Bender, rookie roll call. Base. Indiana's Monty Ellis, number 199. '76ers, Jahlil Okafor. Jahlil Okafor. Base. The Blazers, Damian Lillard. Damian Lillard, number to 199. Last pack, box number 4. Box number 4. Then we'll get moving right into draft and baseball 2-caser again tonight. Last 2-caser we'll do for a little bit. Super Jumbo and a regular Jumbo. Sixers, Jahlil Okafor, number to 99. Got a Marcus Page, the Utah Jazz. Marcus Page for the Jazz. Base. Got a jersey, Denver Nuggets, Jusuf Nurkic. Jusuf Nurkic. jersey for the Nuggets. Base. And then we'll go right into our draft. Phoenix Suns, you've got Brandon Knight. Brandon Knight for the Suns, number to 199. Auto, you've got Marquise Chris, the Phoenix Suns. Marquise Chris for the Suns. Base. Got number 2, 199. You've got Akeem Olajuwon, return to sender for the Rockets. Got Detroit Pistons, Tobias Harris. Tobias Harris for the Pistons. Base. Got Bucks, Malcolm Brogdon. Malcolm Brogdon for the Bucks. That one, number to 199. Finishing out certified basketball tonight.